So what does manufacturing in the United States actually look like? Stay tuned to find out. Recently, I had the pleasure of visiting DTEX. Now, DTEX is one of the most well-known and respected door hardware and access control manufacturers in the entire world. They've been in business for over 100 years and manufacture right here in the United States in Texas. We wanted to see just what American manufacturing really looks like. Thankfully, DTEX was happy to show us. Hey everybody, what is up? I am down here in New Braunfels, Texas at the DTEX plant. And I'll tell you what, while I was here, I've learned some things that absolutely shocked me, and I can't wait to show you and see if you think it's as surprising as I do. Let's go. All right, so here we are inside the DTEX factory. First, I just want to kind of take a look around, and we can kind of see what we have going on here, right? We have up front here, we have a lot of assembly. On the back, there's a bunch of racking, but there's one particular item that I want to talk about, but on our way, I want to show you a few things. Let's go. What I really want to show you over here is what's going on is all of the assembly and boxing of the Advantex and the Value line door closers. So all of that's kind of happening over here. You can see all the boxes. There's probably one product more than any that a lot of people know of about DTEX, which is their EAX series. So I have something I want to show you over here. I want to take you to the main thing that absolutely shocked me that DTEX does that I was not expecting at all. Are you ready for it? Let's find out. Now, they keep it in this little separate room. I'm gonna call it the secret room, okay? But let's go in and let's take a look. All right, so what I want to talk about and show you that absolutely shocked me is this. These are the PCB boards that are found in DTEX products like the EAX 500, 300, and so many others. Guess what? See that machine right there? They make and solder the entire units right here at this factory. Is that crazy or what? You can see people over there, and so what they're doing is they're soldering and they're doing all that sort of stuff. It absolutely blows my mind when I saw this. When I came here to their warehouse in New Braunfels, Texas, I tell you what, I was not expecting for them to be making such small and critical components. A lot of times you see outsourced overseas. So to see them here and to see the machines that make them, it is absolutely remarkable. So if you buy DTEX products or you use DTEX products, the PCB boards and the units, they're being made right here. They're being assembled right outside the door. You're really holding a piece of American manufacturing. It's pretty awesome. And by the way, DTEX has been around for over 100 years, and this is what they're doing. It's absolutely crazy to me and really cool. You know, when it comes to the panic bar, like these aluminum pieces, that sort of thing, guess what? They actually bend all of this right here. It all happens in this warehouse. Oh, and by the way, a little fun fact, you wanna see the largest CNC machine in the great state of Texas? Well, it's right there. It's right there. I tell you what, it is really surprising how seriously they take being a manufacturing company in America. It's pretty awesome. So there you have it. That is the USA manufacturer DTEX. From forming their own metal to printing and making their own PCB boards and soldering. It was really amazing and awesome to see. But really on top of that, their staff is so amazing and helpful. And truly, I wouldn't say it if it wasn't true, okay? That it was really impressive. What a great bunch of people. But of course, I am very curious about what you think about this video. Is there anything about it that surprised you, like it surprised me? Out of all the DTEX products you work on, which one's your favorite? I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. I am here in, how do you say that?
New Braunfels.
New Braunfels. Am I saying that right?
Absolutely.
Okay. All right, so here we are. We're in the assembly and boxing of the Advantex and the Value line door closer. So all that's kind of happening over here. You can see all the boxes. I don't know, maybe in a little bit, I don't know, maybe in another video, you might know a guy who puts one together, okay? I don't know. I see a bagging machine, an automated bagging machine over there, and they're gonna have to keep me away from it because my OCD will kick in and I'll want to start dropping stuff in it, okay? For those who know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Now, the question is what do you think about this? I tell you what, you know, you come here to how do you say that again?
New Braunfels.
New Braunfels. Takes me about 50 times.
It's okay.
By the time I leave, I'll know how to say it on camera, right? Congrats, you've made it to the end. Now, I want to make sure that when you are commenting on our videos that you include the hashtag LockBoss. When you do, you automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away every Tuesday live here on YouTube. So I look forward to reading your comment and responding soon. Until next time.